Dear friends, tonight we are going to mark Holocaust Memorial Day, Yom HaShoah. We are marking Yom HaShoah, Holocaust Memorial Day this year on a difficult time, the time of the coronavirus. On this time, we are all in quarantines around the world, and we all have to stay at home. This reminds us that we are all part of humanity, and therefore, we are all in a way equal. And that has to remind us that we were all created by the image of the Lord. And therefore, we are not different. Even we are not the same. And when we think about us as one humanity, we can confront it together. And together we shall win it. Those days remind us to reflect about the core values of humanity, about the meaning of being modesty, about the meaning of support each other. Yesterday, we marked the 77th anniversary since the beginning of the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising. Tonight, when we mark Holocaust Memorial Day, we are marking the memory of each of the Jewish people who was murdered during the Holocaust. We want to remember them and commemorating their memory one by one. As individuals, each one was a whole world. Each one was created by the image of the Lord. Hitler wanted to eradicate the entire Jewish race, but not just to eradicate the race, to eradicate the memory. And therefore, when we remember them, when we remember the individuals and we read their names, we bring them back their identity. This year, we have to ensure that together, when we do it, we also confronting the current virus of anti-Semitism. This virus that is coming together with the coronavirus, it's a virus that we have to fight together, and together we shall win it. I want to thank you for all what you are doing in order to fight against it. I want to thank you for all what you are doing to remember the Holocaust, to remember those who perished, to what you are doing to support the Jewish state, the state of Israel, and for supporting Yad Vashem. And may the Lord bless all of you.